At Solar Biocells, we developed an innovative technology to mitigate carbon dioxide emissions from the air and produce oxygen in the process. This is called carbon capture. But why atmospheric carbon capture?
Hi, my name is Daisy Rijkaard and I am part of Solar Biocells. Together with the University of Antwerp, I'm doing my internship here for my Master's in Environmental Sciences, and I'm working on the educational package of the Solar Biocells called Fixing the Atmosphere. We are introducing the project in classrooms, elementary schools, for children who can work with the project. So, the problem. The atmosphere contains only 400 ppm, which is about 0.04% of carbon dioxide. And stag gas, also known as flue gas, is the exhaust from power plants and other industrial processes, which contains about 18 to 15% of carbon. So why do we capture carbon dioxide from the atmosphere when we could also use the stag gas? The answer. First, power plants and other industrial sources of carbon dioxide are located near cities, where land is already heavily used, for example, agriculture or recreation. This land is expensive. Bioenergy production requires a large amount of land. Typical dry mass yields in agriculture or forestry are 1 to 2 kilo per square meter per year. For algae farms, yields up to 9 kilo per square meter per year have been projected. But still, that means that for a typical combined cycle power plant producing a gigawatt of electrical energy, we would need an algal farm of at least 160 square kilometers to capture and convert all the carbon dioxide emitted. Therefore, despite the slightly higher cost of atmospheric carbon capture, it makes more sense economically to produce biofuels at a remote location where land is inexpensive. Examples are the desert or marginal land. We use air capture for that. Our analysis show that the extra costs of atmospheric carbon capture are small compared to the overall costs of the bioenergy product. Second, the cost of bioenergy will be slightly higher than for fossil fuels. The consumer will end up paying those costs, but we believe that the consumer is willing to pay a slightly higher price for a climate-neutral bioenergy product. However, when the bioenergy is produced from a stag gas, it is essentially still derived from fossil fuel. Only when the bioenergy is captured from the atmosphere, it provides a truly climate-neutral solution to the consumer, which merits a slightly higher price. Thanks for watching. We hope we could provide some answers on the questions. And if you want to follow our developments, you can search for Solar Biocells on all social media.